Now we're back in Southampton to see Matt at his very first serviced accommodation. So his journey hasn't been the smoothest, so I'm glad we managed to get him there. And on the rent-to-rent ladder is what we do, is what I do. I work closely with my students to ensure that they take on a very functional, profitable rent-to-rent property. This is vital. You can't just take on any property at the start. It has to be the right one. And this is Matt's. So this is Matt's journey. So we're in one of my client's properties. This is his first ever rent-to-rent, but he's not going to be on camera because of his employer. Quite common actually. There's a lot of students, you know, but I don't get to get on camera because of their employment. But here we are. He is here. You'll hear his voice, but you'll just see my face throughout the video. But this is live, isn't it? You've had your first booking.
Yeah, first booking's been in. So we're doing our own first clean now because I had a 3-day gap. It was a mad rush, to be honest. It went better than I thought when I listed it on Airbnb. So
it got booked straight away, didn't it? This is Matt's first booking, the moment he's gone live, and we're on a 3-day break.
3-day break, which I didn't try and push to sell because I'd rushed to get it ready for his first booking. So doing the clean myself, I thought I'll just take about a few bits now in between. So here we are, mid-clean.
We're in the middle of
furnishings, Costco bits for replenishments.
So this room hadn't changed much, is it? It was just empty.
Yeah, it was empty, just all fresh paint, same pretty similar colours in here.
Yeah,
bit of
smells
artwork.
Nice in here.
Yeah, camera, carpet clean.
Yeah, clean as cupboard.
Clean as cupboard there.
It's all fresh now, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean this room will be a good before and after. Again, this was a horrible turquoisey green. It took about 6 coats to cover this kitchen.
6 coats.
Yeah, and we had to I did get the cleaners in for deep clean because it was pretty minging. Floor tiles come up a lot better. Wall tiles did. Yeah, dishwasher, fridge from Facebook Marketplace. And when I took it on, I thought, I don't know if I'm going to get this good enough.
It looks really fresh.
Yeah,
now.
it does. It looks. I was really pleased how it came up.
I'd live here now.
Yeah.
Before.
It felt grimy and grubby before.
Yeah.
So much nicer.
So not much needed to be done in here.
Bathroom wasn't too bad. I put a new shower screen on because that was completely corroded. The taps needed a real good go over because they were all lime scaled up.
Yeah.
But other than that, really, and towel row, replaced the towel row because that was rusted.
Let's take a look upstairs. So nice little homely bits of
the emergency lights.
Yeah, that's it.
Although they're not plug-in ones. You can get the plug-in ones.
Oh, right.
But they've got a lead with them, so you can charge them.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, main double bed. So again, it's just all whitewashed. It was all magnolia before, so fresh decks, give carpet a clean, new bed in. Little tight room, but it just about squeezes in.
Yeah, I wouldn't say it's tight.
No, it works out okay.
No, I mean...
Potentially get a chest of drawers behind the door.
Loads of space here.
Yeah.
I mean, they're just here to sleep, aren't they?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, what do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Done a good job, hasn't he?
Hope so.
Was it you or you and your mum?
It was all me initially, but I tell you, Mum was a godsend in the end. She initially come to do a bit of cleaning with us, and then she jumped on the paint. I would never have got all the paint.
You've done a lot of painting. Did you get some guys to help, or was it just you and your mum?
No, just me and my mum.
Yeah.
I emulsioned the whole thing.
All
the woodwork. Yeah, everything. So my mum
done the
all the woodwork.
balustrades.
Yeah, the only bit actually the balustrades cleaned up. She managed to clean them up okay. So we just did all the hamrail and the newel posts. Avoided the little balustrades because that would have been a pain.
I love that green. That's so. I'm going to use that.
So you realise that?
This room is nice with that sun coming in.
It is nice, isn't it?
It is.
I'm not going to leave it as the sun.
Leave it off.
Yeah.
Gives a cinematic look. Yeah, it looks good, mate.
Yeah.
Looks good. Looks substantial.
Yeah.
Yeah. So three people can sleep in this room.
3 in this one.
So 3 in this one.
Yeah, 2 in
Is that sofa bed downstairs or just a sofa?
No, I didn't bother because I've got 8 as it is now. Because as you can see in this one.
Yeah, look at this.
And then with the kitchen and bathroom, it wasn't. It would have been too many beds for.
Oh, you're using those lamps? They're great,
they're brilliant. I like them. The USB cable touch lamp.
Yeah, look at this, guys. So there's three beds in this room. And it's not overcrowded at all, is it?
No, it was a nice big room. This I thought it really perfectly lent itself for 3 beds because I am more targeting contractor types.
Yeah. It's perfect.
And
they're far apart from each other.
Still plenty of room in here.
There's loads of room, so you don't feel like you're on top of your mates.
Chest of drawers, bedside table.
Caters to all markets.
Yeah, black frame.
Contractors,
exactly. Yeah. So I have had inquiries from family ones. Actually had one book, but she then cancelled. She kept changing her dates. So.
What's been your biggest hurdle to get to where you are now?
In terms of the whole journey, or just getting
the whole journey?
Getting that initial yes. I mean, I had a few yeses, and then obviously negotiated for 3 properties, went right to the wire, and then the landlord pulled out last minute. So on some of those, I going through the agent, I guess, and I'm not always convinced they're fully open with the landlord about everything that you're saying to them. And then we negotiate the contract, and then they pull out.
I think some agents just want the viewing.
Yeah,
they're probably based on the stats.
Like that, yeah.
Which is really annoying. Jack, another student, is experienced in that at the moment. So need to go in with heavier friction. Like, are you sure the land? Because I don't want to
100%.
waste my time.
Really drum that in, I think.
Yeah.
But that was probably it. And occasionally those setbacks, it's just the mental hurdle of getting back into it.
It's 90% mindset. 10%
Yeah,
action,
absolutely.
isn't it?
Totally agree. And, it's hard with juggling it with busy, work life and home life as well with 3 kids. So, it's been busy, but, I had occasionally after the setback, I'd have a little reset for a minute and then go again and get back into it, get on the phone. Just keep going.
It's probably seeing the other students succeed.
Massively helps, The group chat really drives you on, actually, and you see others succeed. It just reassures you again.
Yeah, that actually
got to keep at it.
It's not just me.
Stick at it,
It's not just me that's winning and selling courses.
Absolutely, yeah. And
there is people genuinely killing it.
Massively. And it does help. It really does help to see that. And, people that have done so well are still stay in the group chats and everything and join the calls and things like that really helps. You see them and chat about it as well. Definitely helps. So
so it's live.
It's live.
You've got your first booking.
That was a massive relief. All the way through, I pumped quite a bit of money into it. I did, because it was more than I anticipated. I first I got in it. Yeah, a lot of time, a lot of nights.
You was in here till
3 a.m. pretty much every bloody night through the weeks.
It's what it takes, guys. It's what it takes.
Yeah, you got to just do it. Like I said to the wife, it's it's a month of pain for. A bit of gain, hopefully. And it was. But then you start stressing, going live, is it going to work? Have I pumped all this in and it's just going to sit there empty? And
but
luckily,
you followed the process.
Got the listing on live, used a bit of AI photos or enhancement of photos initially because I was still finishing it off. Didn't think I'd get much from that. And lo and behold, that following day I had about 5 inquiries. And it was the relief was,
I bet it was
massive.
It is, isn't it? It is.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, no, it's good.
And there we are. So you've completed the hardest part of the business.
Yeah. Hopefully.
You really have.
It's good. It's good.
It's just getting another one, and then scaling.
Pay myself back a bit and then get on to number 2, definitely.
Yeah, and now you got this one as leverage to show landlords, like, look, I took this house from, this was bad.
This was bad, It
this,
did need
you wouldn't want it much worse.
No.
But now look at it.
Yeah, no, it's really
nice.
pleased with it,
It's a robust property.
You do have, it's hard to rein yourself in because obviously if you owned it, you'd probably put a bit more into it. But
I think
you've got to spend a bit to get it there.
Give yourself a bit of credit. You've done an amazing job.
It's been good. Yeah, it's been good. Really good. Yeah.
It looks fresh.
And it's amazing what fresh liquid paint does. And
it is. Yeah.
I was really worried on the carpets; they weren't great. I managed to get the landlord to replace this front bed one,
but
this was really bad.
The carpet seemed bad.
Yeah.
When I visited last.
Yeah.
But
now you furnish it, and that we did got the carpet cleaner on it, and then fresh paint. It just lifts it again. You don't really look at the carpet then, do you?
No.
Dead happy.
Amazing job. So, what would be the one piece of advice that you would give yourself if you was to start all over again?
Just keep at it. Like, you just got to keep at it. Jump in, do it.
Did you ever think?
Throw yourself into it.
Was there any moments where you thought, maybe I'm the one who isn't going to make it?
It does always come across your mind. Like I say, after a couple of those setbacks, but it wasn't so much. I didn't think I'm not going to make it. It was just like, it's hard. It's hard, and you do say it's hard. No one said you don't get anything easy in life, do you? So you've got to work at it. And just a couple of times, I just felt, it's a bit much doing this with everything. But like I say, I'll just give myself a week sometimes, reset, and then go again, and just keep at it. I don't think I was never quitting. That was never.
What the fuck is that?
Close to the airport.
Oh my god!
We are close to the airport here.
We're at the airport,
We're basically,
Well, let's go check out the garden, because that was a bit of a mess as well, wasn't it?
That was a dive, yeah.
So what do you do for a job, Matt?
I work in construction, but more management rather than on the tool. Although I did used to work more on the tools.
Yeah,
so
fresh painted the outside as well.
Just brightened it up again.
Yeah, it looks good.
And then this was
That's
completely
what I can
overgrown.
smell. That smells really nice.
Yeah.
Get a robot mower.
Yeah, I will do.
No, don't get a robot mower.
I'm gonna
Not
get
for this little
chuck into
patch.
the ring. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks presentable.
Again,
it looks right nice.
Sprayed a load of weed spray on the patio.
Yeah, it looks
Gave
good.
it a jet wash, and
it's
place
nice.
marketplace furniture. New
So
blind.
how much did you spend on getting it?
I think, well, I'm still working that out at the minute, but I did about 2,000 on trades. Obviously, some of this is going back to the landlord, actually. And then I reckon I'm about 7.5 on my credit card. So probably 9.5, of which the landlord's contributing £1,000, I think, basically to that. So
the bed's a good 2.5 of that, though, aren't
Yeah,
Yeah,
especially that.
Does that include first month's rent?
No.
How have you spent that much?
I spent a lot.
Did you buy a lot of new?
In the end, I did a fair bit of marketplace. White goods was all marketplace.
You had to buy the white goods as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Not the washing machine, that was it, but dishwasher. Things, like I say, the landscape, because, shower screen, bloody shower. I put all new shower head, hose, rail, the electric towel rail in there.
So it was pretty much full work.
Yeah. And then I spent a bit on the handyman was about £1,000. I mean, he pissed around with these doors for so long.
Yeah.
They were a nightmare.
The white goods, the handyman, the beds, you could probably say.
Even like the sofas, harving the thingy, probably a lot on paint, a lot of just odds and sods, fixings, tool stations, you know. I did market.
Adds up, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does tally up quite quick.
I'd say.
You know, IKEA, I probably spent quite a bit just on all the kitchen stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
2 sets of pans because
So
the induction ones.
The first booking, how much was that for?
800, just under. I think it was 7
for 5 nights.
6 nights.
6 nights, and the second booking for a month, how much is that?
That is 2,700.
Yeah, okay. So you brought in
28
about
nights.
3k back. How much is the rent?
1,400.
Okay.
But I've also had a third booking.
Have you?
Which is more because I changed my pricing a bit, and I thought, right, I played around a bit more.
Yeah.
Again, it's the next step, and then it's just getting more familiar with Airbnb. So I chucked in a fee for cleaning. Obviously, initially I didn't have the goes up per person after a certain amount, so I did that and did something else. So I've had another booking for 20 nights, but it's more than the 28 night one.
Confirmed?
Yeah, confirmed. He's
How
in.
much
It's done.
was that?
3,100.
Yeah, okay.
So I was like, oh, thank God.
So you probably recouped half of your initial
Yeah.
investment already.
Yeah.
Does that make you feel better?
Definitely. But yeah, I'm hopeful.
Is that a
it'll
contractor booking?
Yeah,
I'm
weekends.
chuffed.
Yeah.
It's always such a relief for me as well.
Yeah.
As much as I
Bloody
get
right.
the
No,
relief
I
on
know.
your
Yeah,
side.
yeah. I bet it is. Yeah. Because you
Yeah.
always just second guess, don't you? But I was like, you know, it works. The area should work.
Yeah. Well,
Did
you know.
sort of stack. Yes, I'd probably spent a bit more than. Like I said, as soon as I came in that first day, I was like, shit, I've taken it on.
Yeah.
But you've committed now, and you've done it. So
Yeah.
just fucking make it happen.
Yeah.
So we jumped on with it, got it done. I've probably spent more than I wanted to initially, and probably that I would have factored in. But it takes me a bit longer to pay back.
There's always, you know, the bigger picture is if it was an up together property, it would have been let to a family.
Yeah.
So you've added. There needed to be a lot of value added.
Yeah, exactly.
But now you're getting the
and
value
the
back.
landlord has.
So is this on Airbnb, VRBO,
Airbnb,
Booking.com?
Booking.com at the minute. I'm just waiting to verify on there.
Yeah. So when's the third booking coming in? Straight after the second?
No, so that's September, mid-September.
Yeah, okay.
So
we've
till
got-
mid-October.
Still got August left.
So I've got August into September,
Yeah.
second half of August
There
and
we
start
go.
of September. So
Yeah.
should
That's
be
good,
fine.
mate.
I did have a family one, like I say, but she cancelled that. It was only a 2-night today, so
Yeah.
in a way I kind
But
of
you're getting-
didn't
you're
want to take
getting
it because it would block
Yeah,
out a
that's
month
it.
for 2
Yeah.
nights. So
Yeah. Honestly, really chuffed.
yeah,
You've got a solid property. You know, I've worked with you for quite a few months now.
yeah,
so-
no, definitely. You stuck with it as well. You know, it's good. Beyond the initial sort of 4-month main area, but it's still in the group, still on the chat.
I get
You still
emotionally
respond to
involved.
all the questions.
Like,
Yeah, no, I appreciate that because I get that you can quite easily say yes that you
Well-
over, but it's definitely not like that. So
You know, you've got a skill for life now.
yeah,
So
yeah, that's
Yeah.
great, and I'll definitely look to
yeah, get the second one.
stay with it and
Get the third,
keep going.
the
Yeah,
fourth.
absolutely.
And
Pile
yeah,
'em on.
just excited to watch you just grow.
Hopefully, yeah.
That's it, guys. That ends the tour. This is how it is. This is how it is. It's very real results. Well done.
Thank you.